Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can underline on Google Keep's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To underline on Google Keep, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in keep.google.com and make a search. Log into your Google Keeps account and the home page of Google Keep will appear on the screen. Before starting, let me tell you that Google Keep does not provide an option to underline the text within the Google Keep application. However, you can use a word-around solution to underline the text. Now for that, type in a regular text in the Google Keep application. If you want to underline the text of the particular sentence, go ahead and launch open any web browser. Search for underlined text and click on the first link shown on the page. Once you're inside the home page, go to the search box at the top and simply paste in the text that you generated on Google Keep's note. Copy the text and paste it on the Yay text. It will then underline the text in no time. Now you can go ahead and copy the text, get back to the Google Keep application. You can paste the newly generated underlined text, and that's how you will be able to underline text on Google Keep quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.